ng bomba nyo. Naging sigo ha, naging sigo. Find the crown lang, find the crown. Find the crown, just find the crown. Find the crown lang, find the crown. Okay, we're going engage ha, DPS ha. Wait lang.
One lang agad.
Okay, wait. Wait lang. Full DPS kayo dito sa north ha. Dito. Sa north ha. Wait lang ha. Wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Drop all on northeast. Drop lang kayo sa labas. Nice. Okay. Now, come back again. Kiss the doubles lang. Wag nang bumabad. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Nakita nyo, no? Tatagal doon, mamatay. Okay, stabilize lang uli. Stabilize lang. Okay. Now, Hiraya go south. South tayo. Ready to pump again ha. Bump again. Ready? Wait now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Drop now all on east side. On east. Drop all on east. Nice. Okay. Now, back again. Back. West lang ulit, West. Stabilize again. Stabilize lang. Okay, come at middle lang. Dito lang sa may bakod. Yan, nice. Hold again. We will drop again. Okay, ready? Ondor now, ready. Full mas Ondor. 3, 2, 1, Ondor. Ba't lumabas ako? Oh shit.
Naklik mo yung gate ko, naklik.
Okay, stabilize ulit. Go north again, party 1. North again, party 1. Bump again ha, we will bump again ha. Bump again. Okay. Look Ascalade. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. On Ascalade. Escalade. Okay, nice. Oh, back again. Ayan, back again. Just back lang. Back. Okay. You see Christ. When you see Christ, right? Ready? Full engage on Christ, ha? Ready? In 3, 2, 1. On Christ. Walang perma. Yan, nice perma. Bato nyo. Nice. Okay, nice. Back again. Back. Back lang. Nakapasok na, di ba?
Di pa.
Sige. Stabilize again. Okay.
Balik.
Naglalaga na. Okay. Hold lang muna. Papasukan sila. Papasok daw? Pasok. Labas.
Pwede na mag-clamp on time. Anytime.
Labas Hiraya. Okay, now look out. Find the crown now. Ready? Going to engage deep ha. Deep engage now on east. 3, 2, 1. Big clamp. Drop all on mid. Drop. Nice. Enigmatic. Now stabilize. Pasok sa gate. Pasok. Walang may iwan. Pasok lahat sa gate.
Collector. Bubuhay po collector, oh.
Okay, now ready. Nagbabak sila. Okay, now labas. First party, labas.
Click.
Click. Follow. North side. Full north side. Okay, look at the gate. We're going to engage at the gate, ha. Engage now. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. On gate. Drop all. On gate. Wait, nice. Hold, okay, Defensive, and heal. Okay, you know, establish muna. Back muna kayo ng po, ano, back muna sa gitna, namatay ako. Okay. Okay, nag-engage na. Okay, now follow. Follow, a little bit, follow. Labas na. Position on north. Position on north. Position on north. Position lang sa north. Position. Okay, now look. Wait. Just wait. Okay, look at the gate. Gate now. Ready. On gate now. Naglag ako. On gate now. 3, 2, 1. On gate now. Drop all. Drop on gate. Drop. Kita patay nyo. Nice. Do. Papier defensive. Heal. Pahil muna. Walang papasok. Scatter lang dito. 6 seconds to counter ha. I'm at the north side ha. Nasa north side ako. Now look east. Deep east. Going to engage on deep east ha. Wait muna. Wait lang. Okay na, done na sila. Look east now. Ready. Engage na on mid. 3, 2, 1 on mid. Drop. Nice. Come north again. Come north. First PT. North side. Find the crown. 11 seconds to counter. Back. They're engaging. Mag-engage sila. Okay, now push. Lubas kayo. Okay, look at the ground. Deep engage on east. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Big clamp on me. Drop all. Drop. Nice. Pop your defensive. Heal. Back again. Pasok. Going north. North muna. 9 seconds. Palo. Labas kayo dito sa iskinita. Sa isa. Okay, now labas. Wait lang. Look now. Deep east now. Ready. Pop your boots. 3, 2, 1. Big clamp on me. Drop now again. Drop. Okay, now back again. Back. Pasok sa loob. Hold the defensive sa harapan. Hold defensive. Just hold defensive. Okay, look again. 6 seconds to counter ha. 6 seconds to counter. 3 seconds to counter. Counter now. Ready? It is 3, 2, 1. Big clamp on me. Drop all. Putang ina, nagdalilate na naman tayo. Back again. Iligtas nyo yung sarili nyo. Pumasok kayo sa gate. Ilang clamp na. Back. Lahat ng party 1. Pasok sa gate. Huwag kayo magpakamatay. Ilan na lang tayo?
3 down lang.
Okay. So makakapag-comeback. Ba't ito kasing mga to? Ba't ayaw kasing mga lumabas?
Dami natin.
Ano ba gusto na itong mangyari? Ilang... Nakakuha ng... Ay, sige, go again. Wait, hold lang. Wala mo nalalabas. Hayaan yung David lumabas. Okay?
Labas na sila.
2, 1. Okay, now walk again. Walk. Click the gate. Go north. Position ako north. North side. Find the crown on me. Only two lang. Okay, look south. South. Okay, now south gate. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. On me. Big clamp. Drop again. Now back. Going west. West. Defensive. Identify. Lahat ng defensive. Pop. Going north again. Position. No. Click the gate. Pasok. Click the gate. 5 seconds ha. 5 seconds. Hayaan nyo sila mag-rumble dyan. Yan nyo lang. Ready. Now, click the gate. Go out now. Go in the position on north. Position. Only Raya on north again. Ready on south now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Big clamp. Drop all. Okay, now back again. Scatter. Judy. Okay, now go.
Nakaka-enjoy.
7 seconds. 7 seconds to counter. 5 seconds per second. Hold lang muna dyan. Hold lang muna. Wait again. Just wait again. Wait again ha, wait lang ha, wait lang ha, wait. Ayan na, nag-engage na. Okay now, look, wait. Okay, now look south. Look south now, pop your boots, all. Ready in 3, 2, 1, on south now, drop.
Defensive,
Pakita boss, okay,
defensive, defensive.
baka defensive agad. North. Okay.
Enigmatic yun.
Nice. 9 seconds to counter, 9 seconds to counter. Wait again. Hold again. Full north lang kayo. Full north lang. Isa pang concept. Kailangan yung debuff talaga rito pumasok para punit yung mga yan eh. Wait lang uli. Ayan na, nag-engage na. Okay now, ready. Look south now again. Pop your boots now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On south. Big clamp. Putang ina, ubos. Ubusin nyo. Back.
Ganda dun.
Sapa.
Talo ko.
North
Hold lang again.
Follow
Hold
lang.
lang. Hold. Full north lang, party 1. Just full north, party 1. Full north lang.
Defensive.
Ready now. Pop your round. On south now. Pop your boots. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Big clamp now. Big clamp. Nice. Very good guys.
Nice,
Don't down. Huwag kayo magda-down. North again. We need position.
Don't load. Later.
Position lang kayo. Position lang. Nordic lang. Team Nordic lang ang lulot. Sinabi ko na yan. Hold lang again. 21 minutes left ha. 21 minutes left.
Okay ka lang.
Stay put. Stabilize lang on north side lang. Full north lang. Hindi ko sila nakikita. Okay, nag-engage na party 1. Ready? Now. Pop your boots now. On south now. 3, 2, 1. Big clamp. I-delete mo. No, back again. North. Putang ina mo, konti na lang.
Ang ganda nun. Sapa guys. Synchronize.
Full north lang. Huwag kayo magpapaprol yan. Just keep brawling lang. Hayaan nyo yung mga brawler natin dyan. North lang again. North lang. Just follow north. Follow north lang. Okay? Ready? Wait lang ha.
Pinabasag.
Wait. Okay now, ready. Up your boots now. Ready on south now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Big clamp now again. Big clamp. Konti lang nagpalo. Back again. Back.
Defensive.
Defensive no. Nice. Okay. 40 seconds to counter. 19 minutes. Okay, nag-engage na. Follow me. Pop your boots now. Ready on south now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me. Big clamp now. Drop. Bawasan nyo. Okay, now. Up. North again. Okay, now. Stabilize. Heal lang agad sa duty. Yung mga OC nyo, guys, we already have 3 minutes na lang sa OC ha. Reosi.
Boss, pag sabihin mo pag malapit na yung CD ng...
Okay.
Ako.
Wait lang. Okay, they're engaging. Wait, mag-engage sila. North again. Full north lang kayo. Full north. Para hindi kayo nakikita. Just full north. Full north lang kayo. Just full north lang. Okay. They're going in. Ayan na, mag-i-in na sila. Yan ha. Okay, pop your boots now. Ready on south now. Pull now. 3, 2, 1. On south now. South. Delete. Okay, now north again. North. Pull back on north again. 14 seconds.
Nahurot sa
14
device.
seconds, 14 seconds, 14 seconds, 14 seconds, 14 seconds. Huli lang GD. 7 seconds to counter ha. Stay again on north. Stay again on north. Stay again on north. Stay again on north. Okay, wait. Just wait. Just wait lang. Wait lang. Nasa labas sila, yun oh. Ano ginagawa nila? Nandun pa sila sa labas. Nasa labas pa sila. Kinakata yung ratter. Okay. Okay, nag-gold na yan na.
Defensive.
Defensive. Okay, now look south. Look south now. Ready on south now. Pull engage in 3, 2, 1. Big clamp now. Drop all. Drop. Okay, no, back lang. Back again. Kina. Oh, heal again. Chill. 17 minutes left.
Mana, please.
17
Mana. Nice, thank you.
Mana. Nice. Okay. Ready, at engaging na ha. Nag-engage na. 4 seconds na to counter ha. 4 seconds to counter. 3 seconds to counter. 2 seconds now. Pull. Pop your boots now. On south. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Dito sa gitna. Yun nasa gitna. Delete nyo yan. Nice. Very good. Now, back again on north. Back again. Huwag niyong paparan. Ayan. Just kumakalap. Nice. 30 seconds. 12 seconds. 11 seconds. Steady lang. Steady. 3
Jacket, please.
seconds. 2 seconds. Just wait. A little bit. Okay, ready. Pop your boots now. On south now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Big clamp. Putang ina. Huli lahat. Huli. Okay, nice. Come back north. North. 10 seconds. 9 seconds to counter.
Jacket
9
ulit,
seconds.
jacket.
Foods. Check your foods. Check your foods.
Pa-jacket ulit,
Hold again.
pa-jacket.
Hold again. Hold. Full north lang. Full north kayo. Okay, magpapakita. Okay, nag-engage na. Okay, ready? Okay, pop your boots now. Ready, on south now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Itong nasa gitna lang. Okay na, back agad. Huwag kayo mapahuli, please. Huwag kayo mapahuli. Back agad.
Dito yung naklamp sila dito banda. Baba na to.
Nakita mo yung concept natin doon, Boss Bag. Sana nakita nila, no? Nasa taas ka, nasa baba kami.
Patay sila eh.
Same, sandwich talaga yan.
Ay, isa lang ako namatay.
Dito, sandwich
Panay
yan.
nalaglag. Nag-37 na ako ngayon.
First and second.
37 yung maganda eh.
Nasaan si Barks? Nakailang regret si Barks.
Nakatatlo yan, pre. Ilang beses na matay. Nakita ko yan, pre.
Tignan mo, nasaan ka? Tignan mo yung gamit ko. Yung ginamit ko naka 4.4 na.
Saan ka ba, Jeff? Andito ako sa Ipay, Boss Bag.
Sa?
Ito.
Dito kay Asan ka, Jeff?
Naka 4.4 na.
Naka-4.4 ka.
Di kaya Boss Bag, di kaya CP ko. Grabe yung lag. Pero nakakasabay pa rin.
Wala tayong
Late
choice.
yung mga TPS ko, sayang. Uwi na ina. Late na nag-change.
Di ko na ginaganyan yung ano ko. Yung skill ko sa kalaban, kiniklik na lang kita.
GG.
Papatayan pati